Welcome to Wally Bois, and today we are pitting against each other two dowel making methods. One is driven and the other one is machine. But first we've got to prep up our stock to 8mm and put a little taper on the end with the chisel, as you can see. And first we're going to drive our wooden stock through this metal plate. First it's a 10mm hole, and then we'll pass it through, well, the size we want it to be. In this case it's going to be the 8mm hole. Oh, so you're driving it through. Whang it with the old hammer. In this case, we used a ball peen hammer. Yeah. Oh, it's starting to split on the end. Oh, dear. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Get a saw and chop it off before it splits to the end. Then carry on bashing to your heart's content until you get to the end, and yeah, a bit of wood will get stuck, just like this one. So get to the drift. Could be anything. Just drive it through the hole. There you go. There is a wooden dowel. Looks perfect to me. Perfect. But what about the other method of making wooden dowels? Yes, in the blue corner we have the other method, using a battery drill. Okay. Oh, we're going to drive it through and spin it round. It's like machining that it is. Oh, look at that, peeling off like that. Looks great, doesn't it? You would think it's going to be the best way of doing it. Well, we'll see at the end of this video. Won't be long. No. So there we go. We've got two dowels. One that's driven and one that's been made using the same die and a battery drill. But which one fits best? Well, they're 8mm, so let's pass through the driven one first. Or driven or drawn. In this case, I think it's driven because you're driving it through, aren't you? Well, that's not a bad fit. That's 8mm. Yeah. And that one is the machined one. Oh, that looks a bit slack. It appears that the wobble on the drill actually causes some side wear, and yes, and it's a little bit smaller than the driven one. So the winner is in the red corner. It happens to be the driven wooden dowel, which has been driven through a metal plate that happens to have these three holes drilled in it: the 12mm, the 10mm, and the 8mm. Toodaloo.